Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you a restoration on a 2022 wrecked Buick envision. So this is completely wrecked. We got it from the auction. As you can see, it's really badly wrecked, and then it was really worse when we got it. We got it and you can see all the doors are fully wrecked. And both of these doors there, we can open them, and then in the back there's a really big hole on the pillar, so we could cover it. And the rear window's broken, the rear glass is also broken, and this side is okay. And from the interior, all the airbags have been deployed. As you can see, all the airbags are deployed. And then from the interior is also the center console is damaged. As you can see, from this crash, it was a really strong one. And the rear and the trunk is also damaged too. So the auction, they never gave us the key fob, so we can't get it started. And so we'll get the key fob soon, and then we'll get it started. And this does has head-up display, and it does has adaptive cruise control, and you have a 10-inch infotainment display with navigation, wireless CarPlay, and Android Auto. And you have a lane centering, and you have park assist, and you have these really cool gear shifters. So someone actually removed the center console for some reason. And you also have 360-degree cameras. And in the front, both of the fenders are also damaged. And then the hood is also damaged. The bumpers are damaged, but the grille is okay. And then on this side, the fender is also damaged. So since we don't have the key fob, we can't get into neutral, and this doesn't have the emergency neutral release. So we really can't move it anywhere. And then this headlight is also damaged. And a single headlight on this costs around 1K. And you have another camera over here for the 360 view. So under the hood, you have a 2.0 turbocharged inline 4, and it's paired with a 9-speed automatic. And you have auto stop, and you also have 2-cylinder deactivation. So if you need if you don't need that much power, it will just cut down to more cylinders. So since the transmission is all electronic controlling, there's no way to actually put it into neutral from the outside. And this has 22,000 miles on it. So guys, so tune out, and then I'll also be posting another parts of this. It'll be made, and we'll get it all in working order again. Thank you so much.